India should look at it favorably.
Meghalaya BJP seems confident that it has found acceptance among the people of the state and is eyeing not only to put up a good fight in all 60 seats but also to win as many as possible. State BJP President Ernest Maury said that the party is confident of securing double-digit seats in 2023. He further informed that as soon as the Election Commission of India announces the date of election, the party will send the final list to the central leaders for its consent and declaration of candidates will follow.
All the application received from different mandal, 2 district and 2 district, then we will send all together to Delhi for declaration of the candidate name. We will contest all the 60 seats. But now, 45 seats and above, we have the candidate. Strong candidate, winnability. So, we are working on it and we have given the responsibility to our district in charge, district president, mandal president to find out the suitable candidate with the winnability.
A state BJP delegation